How to join SafePal affiliate program. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can join SafePal affiliate program. So to join SafePal affiliate program, the first step is to leave the SafePal application, then go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you are using on your mobile phone. Then click on the search box and then type out SafePal affiliate program. Then once you've done that and you're brought to the page where you'd see a number of blogs, ensure you select this first one which says SafePal affiliates and 10 to 20% commissions from every sale, and then click on that. And so you'll be brought to the SafePal affiliates program, and the next step would be for you to create an account. All right, so click on register now and wait for the page to load, and see you can see become a SafePal affiliate, etc. So just click OK and then go ahead and register. So you can register first of all by typing out your name. So go ahead and type out your name, then type out your email as well, then type out a password to secure your account, and then scroll down and click on the captcha, then go ahead and carry out the task provided, then click on verify, scroll down, agree to the terms and condition, then click on sign up now, and then you wait for the page to load. So once you've registered, you can see the next step would be for you to add your personal information. Just do that, click on start, and then you can see the four different steps available. So if you ask to create a profile, add your address, additional information, and then the payout method. And so once you're done with that, once you're done entering in um your profile, move to the bottom right corner, click on the next icon, and then you'll be taken to the next page, which includes your address. Once you're done typing out your address, move to the bottom right corner again and click on send. All right, then after that, you'll be brought to the additional information page. If your page is not usually necessary, so you can just move to the bottom right corner and click on next, and then you'll be taken to the payout method page. How do you want to be paid for being an affiliate? So just go ahead and select a payout method. You can actually select PayPal or USDT. Then the next step would be for you to enter in your wallet address. So once you're done, move to the right side and then click on finish. Okay, and then just like that, your account has been created and you are now an affiliate. So now the next step would be for you to copy your referral link and then share it to your friends. All right, share it to people, and then once they get things, when they purchase things on SafePal, you would also get a commission. All right, and this is basically how you can join the affiliate program. You can see how easy it is, so ensure you try it out. Okay, so as you can see, you can even share this link on your social channels by clicking on social channels. So these are the social channels available, so you can share the link using this method as well. Thank you for watching and have a good day.